Hello everyone. Today we are diving into a crucial topic that's shaping the future of AI interactions. Effective AI prompting techniques. These techniques helps you to get the most out of AI and can give you a big advantage over your competitors. Let's get started. Effective AI prompting is most for many reasons, one of which is generating relevant responses. Effectiveness of prompt depends on how clear, detailed, and specific the prompt is. A well designed prompt can generate relevant answers, whereas a poorly designed prompt can generate incorrect results. Secondly, well made prompts can make solving problems and finding information faster and easier, saving time and resources. Now, let's see what is AI prompting. AI prompting involves giving specific instructions or questions to an AI model to guide its responses and outputs. These instructions, known as prompts, are crucial for determining the accuracy, relevance, and the quality of the information provided by the AI. Prompts can range from simple question to complex. Multi-steps instructions and their effectiveness depends on how clear and precisely they are formulated. Prompts serve as the interface between humans and AI, allowing users to communicate their needs and expectations to the model. By providing well crafted prompts, users can harness the full capability of AI, ensuring that the responses are useful and aligned with the intended purpose. Prompting is vital for maximizing AI potential for several reasons. First is accuracy and relevance. Well designed prompts ensure accurate and relevant responses, helping AI understand and address queries effectively. Second is efficiency. Effective prompts streamline AI interactions, saving time and resources by quickly providing desired information or solutions. Third, user satisfaction. Tailored prompt caters to users' need and preferences, making interaction more personalized and satisfying. Fourth, enhanced problem solving. Detailed prompts in a complex task, guiding AI to provide step by step explanation, comparison, and creative solutions. Fifth, training and development. Well structured prompt improves AI training, creating more and versatile model. Sixth, transparency and trust. Prompts that encourage AI to explain its reasoning enhance transparency and build users' trust. Moving ahead, let us understand some advanced prompting techniques. Prompting techniques are essential for guiding AI models to generate specific and relevant responses. Here are some techniques. First, chain of thought prompting. This prompting technique is used to guide AI to explain its answer in a step by step format. This technique helps to ensure that the model's answers are transparent and easy to understand, making its explanations more useful. For example, what is the diameter of sun? Explain it step by step. You can see that the AI is generating responses in step by step format. Second, tabular format prompting. Using tabular format with AI allows for clear organization and presentation of data, making it easier for users to analyze the output, leading it to more accurate understanding and insights. For example, let's give it a prompt like list top 5 travel destinations in India in tabular format. Now you can see that AI is generating a response in tabular format, which makes it easier to analyze and understand it for user. Third, ask before answer prompting. Ask before answer prompting means telling the ChatGPT to ask for more details for user before giving an answer. This is done by creating prompts that make the model ask questions to understand the user's need to get more information. Let's give it a prompt like you are an expert in field of consulting. I'm going to ask you some specific tasks to complete, but before you answer, I want you to do following. If you have any question about my task, always ask before generating an answer. How can I drive more sales from my consulting business? Your task is to create a step by step guide to implement into my prompt before you complete your task. Next is the fill in the blank prompting. This technique allows user to focus on a specific aspect of a sentence or idea and also encourages deeper thinking. Additionally, it is a flexible tool for learning and communications that can be easily adapted to different situations. Let's give it a prompt and let's see what kind of response it generates. You are an expert at creating a prompt that generates the most concise and resourceful response. What additionally bullet points and details can I add to the following prompt to improve the output? My prompt is $100,000 in saving. What should I invest in? As you can see, this prompt has encouraged the deeper thinking of AI and also gave us the idea regarding a specific aspect. Next comes the perspective prompting. Perspective prompting helps you to look at the topic from various angles, giving you a better understanding. This can help you make smarter choices and understand complicated issues more clearly. Let us understand this through a prompt. Let's ask our AI what are its perspective on kickboxing. Please write about improving as a kickboxer from the perspective of a kickboxing coach. As you can see, our AI has generated the response. As you can see, our AI has generated a very clear and relevant prompt regarding the topic improvement in kickboxing. Next is the comparative prompting. Comparative prompting highlights key similarities and differences across various factors, which helps you to make more informed decisions and gain a deeper understanding of strengths and weakness of two options. Let us understand this through an example. I've given a prompt like please compare the and contrast the following text examples. Outline the similarities, differences, qualitative characteristics, quantitative factors, functionality, impact, and other factors in one table. Here are two pieces of content: the business and design philosophy of Reliance and Airtel. Now you can see the now you can see the AI response has highlighted key similarities and difference across various factors, which helps you make more informed decision and gain a deeper understanding. Next is the RGC prompting. This framework offers a flexible and reliable structure that works within any input and desired outcome. It aims to set a standard format that enhances AI's performance across various input. You can understand it well with the example. The prompt is you are an expert nutritionist. Create a 7-day meal plan for 5'7", 40-year-old female that exercises 3 times a week. The goal is for her to lose 1 pound of her fat a week. The meal plan should give recipes, cooking direction, preparation time, and a specific meal for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Now you can see that our AI has generated a perfect 7-day meal plan for 40-year-old women, which includes cooking direction, preparation time, and specific meals for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Next comes I want you to act as prompting. This prompting instructs the model to generate responses as if it were a specific character, person, or entity. It enables users to interact with the model in a more impressive and engaging way by assuming different personas. For example, I will ask my AI to act as a virtual doctor. I will describe my symptoms and provide me a treatment plan. Let's see what kind of response it generates. Now, here comes the response. The AI has generated all the possible causes of headache and also suggested me a treatment plan. Next is the constructive critic prompting. Constructive critic prompting involves creating prompts that direct AI to give constructive feedback, review, and evaluations. The goal is to guide the model to deliver criticism in a supportive and positive way, emphasizing areas for improvement while also highlighting strengths. Let's understand this by giving it a prompt. I have provided it the prompt that I want to review my essay on artificial intelligence, provide feedback that points its strengths and identities, areas for improvement, be specific and constructive while addressing both the content and writing style. And I've given my essay to review. Now you can see that the AI is addressing both strengths and areas for improvement together. Now, we will look at some real world case studies and success stories showing you exactly how your competitors are harnessing these strategies to gain a competitive edge. Case study 1: Retail Revolution with AI. Our first case study comes from a retail sector, Style Hub. Imagine a leading e commerce platform that increased its sales by 25% within just 6 months. By integrating AI driven chatbots and recommendation styles, this company provided highly personalized shopping experience. The AI analyzed customers' behavior, purchase history, and preference to deliver tailored product suggestions in real time. This has not only boosted customers' satisfaction but also significantly increased conversion rates. Let's look at the healthcare industry. MediAssist, a prominent hospital network, utilized AI prompting to streamline patient care and improve diagnostic accuracy. Using AI powered diagnostic tools, doctor received a real time prompt and recommendation based on patient data and historical medical record. This led to faster, more accurate diagnosis and personalized treatment plans. The result: a remarkable 30% reduction in diagnostic error and improved patient outcome. Now, let's dive into how competitors across various industries are leveraging these AI prompting techniques. In finance sector, leading firms are using AI to provide financial advisors with instant insights and predictions, helping them to offer better investment advice. Whereas in manufacturing, companies are optimizing production line by using AI prompts to predict equipment maintenance need, reducing downtime and saving costs. And in customer service, AI-driven chatbots are handling common inquiries, allowing human agents to focus on more complex issues. Not only this, the AI prompting techniques also covers the success stories of these industries. Here are some specific techniques that have lead to these success stories. First, natural language processing. Companies use NLP to understand and respond to customer queries with high accuracy, creating more engaging interactions. Second, machine learning models. By continuously training on new data, these models provide increasing accurate prompts and prediction, enhancing decision making process. Third, data analytics. Advanced data analytics helps in identifying patterns and trends, enabling companies to prompt actionable sites and optimize operations. Now, let's explore some common errors people make in AI prompting and let's understand how to avoid them. First, let's talk about typical error in AI prompting, that is vague prompts. For example, asking an AI tell me about history. This is too broad and can lead to an overwhelming amount of information and irrelevant details. Instead, try to be specific. A better prompt would be tell me about the key event in World War II. This gives the AI a clear direction. Second error is language. AI can struggle with prompts that have multiple meanings or are unclear. For instance, describe a bank. Are we talking about a financial institution or a side of a river? Clarify your prompt. Instead, you would ask, describe the functions of a financial bank. Next error is overly complex questions. Overly complex question, piling too many requests into one prompt can confuse the AI. For example, explain how AI works, its application, and the future of AI in technology. Instead, break it down into simpler questions. You might start with explain how AI works and then follow up with other questions. Another is lack of context. Lack of context. Providing context helps the AI understand your request better. For instance, asking what's the weather without specifying a location or a time. Instead, provide context. Ask something like what's the weather like in New York today. Now that we have covered common errors, let's move on the tip for ensuring effective prompting. Tip number 1: be clear and specific. The more precise your question, the better the response. Tip number 2: provide context. Help the AI understand your request by giving it the necessary background information. Tip number 3: break down complex requests. Simplify your questions to get more accurate answers. Tip number 4: Use proper grammar and syntax. Well structured sentences are easier for the AI to understand. By avoiding common errors and following these tips, you can enhance your interaction with AI and get more accurate and useful responses. The quality of your prompt can significantly impact the performance of your AI application. To help you master this skill, we have compiled a list of essential tools for AI prompting. You can use OpenAI Playground, GPT-3 Sandbox, Hugging Face Transformer, Google Colab, AI 21 Studio for your AI prompting. I hope that this video helped you to learn about some AI prompting techniques, how to use them, and what are its benefits. For more detailed insights, make sure to visit our blog. Click on the link in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.